Welcome to August 16th LeetCode Challenge. First unique character in a string. Given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. Example number 1, we have the word LeetCode here, and we want to find the first non-repeating character, which would be L. L has an index of 0, therefore return 0. Example number 2, we have the string love LeetCode. We want to find a character that's non-repeating. L is repeated because it exists here. O is repeated because it exists later down the line. V is index 2. It does not exist again, so therefore it is the first non-repeating character, and therefore it has an index of 2. We'll give an example 3. We have AABB. So we see we have duplicates of character A, duplicates of character B, therefore there's no non-repeating character, therefore return -1 if it does not exist. Our constraints that we have S is between the length of S is between 1 to 10 to the 5, and S only consists of lowercase English letters. So from what we can see so far, the idea is to basically go through the string, and basically we have to keep track of what character we have already, and then we have to go through it a second time to see if that character already exists in the one that we have already tracked. Let's say the number of count of the number of character exists, so it only has 1, therefore we can just return that. So the best way to do that would be to use, say, like a dictionary or a hash map. I'll use a set for this. And how it's going to work is that I'm going to, for each character in S, the string S, we are going to add the character at the key value, and then we're going to add basically how many times it exists. So we get a character at 0 plus 1. So we're adding 1 each time the character exists to the as a value to the key of the character, I should say. So that's our first loop, for loop. The second for loop is that we have to our index and our character exists in our string, but we need to enumerate that first. Our string, we want to find if in the dictionary for the character is equal to 1. So it means that the value of the character to the key character is 1. That means that we have only added the character once to it. Then we can return the index of where the character exists, because it has the first non-repeating character, and return the indexes. Otherwise, we return -1 if it does not exist. Let's run this code. Submit. So what we did was we used a Python dictionary as a set. We do the first time, so big O of n times, big O of n, 2n times, I should say, because that's 2 for loops in parallel. So big O of n time complexity, and for memory complexity, it's big O of constant memory, because at most we have S consists of only a lowercase English letter, therefore there's only 26 letters in the alphabet. So assuming that, the string is the max 26, therefore it'll be constant memory. And it'll be linear time complexity as well. Alright, have a great day, guys.